Hello guys, what is up? ArthurSportGamer here, and today I'm gonna make a tutorial again, and the third this time. So, I've just started, and I can show you guys what I've done. So, here in the tutorial, whatever. Oh my god, I have that dumb bug. But in the source, you wanna click New Package. Have that dumb bug, but calm, like the same as you did here, but not the whole thing. Dot main dot frame. You can call it like uh, I don't know, framework. You can call it whatever you want. Main dot framework is my name. New class, and we're gonna call it game. You can call it entity or game object. I could call it entity. No entity. Well, it's not only entity, so it's called game, but you could call it entity, of course. So here, what I've done is I took this. So basically, what we're doing here, you can type this, and I'll give you some time to do that. And this object ID is also a class we need to create. Object ID is like, I'll show you guys soon. No, not a class, sorry, enum. So what is object ID? Yes, object ID is basically, not basically, but it's like enum. If you don't know what an enum is, that's like a list of stuff like this. And what we'll do here is, what are we planning to our game? A player, this, comma, block, then this. So now in this list there's player and block. Now we have that there. So this is the X and Y for the player, or this will be the X and Y for the player. And let me just go fix the error, because what I've seen here is that our things are going pretty much over. So sorry for not taking the delta nano time amount of ticks divided by amount of ticks. No, wait. Let's see here. Here we have the code. So what has been passed here? Now minus last time divided by, of course, while render and frames if system plus equals 1000. Did we do that? Yeah. The heck? There's another thing, but this is really impossible to find for me. Oh, of course, last time equals now. See if this can now help. Now it works. Sorry for that. Last time equals now is what you need to do. So let's take this out of the way. And let's just go here. So that's float. And this is the velocity X and velocity Y. This is falling and jumping, and that will be to the player and that stuff. So now, sorry. Now what we should do is first, should we create? Yeah, let's create the constructor first. So what is it? It's X and Y, of course. Actually, oh, what am I doing? Float X, float Y, object. So here, so at the I can show you guys. So here's what the object ID does. No, fuck, not that fucking website here. That also, where is it? I want a new, here we have it. So, I hope you can basically see this. You should be able to see this. So, this is how it will work. Let's say that there is, let's see, here's a lot of blocks. And they are, let's say, I want the black, so, okay, now, these all have the, fucking god, I can't do anything. Dot, block, basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna, so if you want to check as an example the action collision, let's say that, or okay, so let's draw the player, selecting yellow, and first of all what we'll do is we'll do this, and we don't need it much. Let's do it in the Minecraft form. If the caps lock. What is it? If let's say, yeah, let's do this. So actually we need to do a for loop. That's at least less than, let's say, handler object size. Doesn't, that's a less than, by the way. It's a big thing. That's a thing. Okay. And that's, I just made a colon there. Then I plus plus, and then this. And then we're gonna do, so we're gonna do game. Oh, actually, let's get that out of the way. Game object temp object equals new equals handler dot object dot get I. So we're gonna get every single object and loop them through. Then what we can do is if, wait, let's go a bit back here. if temp object dot get ID. So we're getting the ID of the temp object equals object ID not block. So then we're checking, and then we can just do the collision method. So it's basically for loop and that stuff, check stuff. That's that. Okay. So now what we're gonna do? How much time today? I'm not gonna do it. Oh my god, I've not done anything yet. Need to do a bit longer. So here we have that. Now we'll need to do this could be abstract, or this should be abstract. Okay. Public abstract. So abstract void. So what does abstract mean? That means that it's like, oh my god, I can't explain it. I'll show you guys. Void tick linked list. So we're making a list of all the game object or entities, whatever you have named it, and then game, or actually temp object is pretty good. Or actually, object, no object. Yeah, you can name it whatever you want. I mean, object. Import linked list. Then we're gonna do this again and again, and this time it's render. Graphics. Okay, now once net is not a void, it's a rectangle, and this is for collision. So yeah, cancel and then rectangle. So now what we're gonna do is do rectangle, and what we want to call it is get bounce. Actually, you can do it like whatever you want, really, like collision, whatever. I'm just gonna do it get bounce. So how much have we been? Oh my god, maybe 2 minutes. No, stop. So now what should we do? Game object. What else do we need? We need the setters and getters, and that's really important. So if you're not using Eclipse, you need to do this by yourself, but because we're using the best IDE, I think, then we're gonna need to do, or we can do, actually, source. So source, or actually, where is it? Source, generate getters and setters. Not ID, jump, everything but not ID. Yeah, everything, they need to be public. And now what you're gonna see is a lot of new things. And you'll need to do this by yourself if you can't. So that has been almost 2 minutes. Still do something here. We have now the getters and setters. What's next? That's almost that. So I think I can end the tutorial here. And this has been Game Objects. See you tomorrow.